Okay guys, hey, what's up? So at here in this quick video I'm gonna show you how to take off your front bumper. In my case, I have a leak here. The power steering fluid is leaking, and I believe it's leaking from this lower hose. So what we have to do, we have to take off the bumper. So let's start. First of all, I'm gonna take a Phillips flathead screwdriver and remove these pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips, and this one also, and this one. So we have to take out all clips. How do we take out clips? I'm gonna put our screwdriver in here, get the middle out. Okay, then just remove this part. All right, and set these things aside, the clips aside. And yeah, remove all the clips, so, all of them. Okay, so I have all the clips out, so at this point we should be able to remove this plastic piece right here. Just set this aside. Or you can get this clip also out and it's gonna be easier, but I'm gonna do it the hard way, the lazy way. Or not. No. I guess I'll have to take this thing also out. Alright, so now I'm able to move this aside. Just put it somewhere here. And remove this plastic cover. Just drop it here. Okay. Next step, what we have here. Okay, this is good. All right, next step, what we have to do, we're gonna have to get a Phillips screwdriver. Where is it? I have it here. Now here, over here inside, is it focusing? Where is it? Okay, well, they're inside over here. It's just the camera doesn't want to focus. There's gonna be I believe it's 8mm or a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm gonna get that screw out here. Alright, yeah. So there will be this kind of screw. Okay, I believe it's 8 or 7mm ratchet and socket, either just a flat Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so get screws both out on both sides. Okay, further, we need to get a 10mm ratchet and get out 1, 2 screws right here. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so get these screws out. Okay, I even managed to get them out, but I broke off 2 and I got 2 out. Well, we'll see what's gonna happen. It's okay, it's still gonna hold. Yeah, see, it broke off. Okay, at this point we should be able just to pull here like this, and the bottom, this should go, I think. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have a light here, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna untangle this and I'm gonna be able to get the bumper off. Okay, so at this point I think it should go out. My extra light goes here, and the bumper I think there's another 2 bolts. I have a feeling. Yeah. Okay guys, there's another 2 bolts. This one, and on the other side 1 more. Same 10mm. Alright guys, there will be 2 screws like this. One of them stayed in bumper, another one I managed to get out. So at this point we should be able to take it off. Okay, my wires go out here. Okay, all right, And now we have access to this hose right here, which is leaking, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna take care of this now. Okay guys, so I took care of my problem with the leaking power steering hose. Got the different hose, fixed it, and now to put back the bumper on, you're gonna do the same reverse procedure. We're gonna clip it in, put everything back in nicely, 6 screws from the bottom, 2 screws on the sides, okay, here, and the top clips, okay, and that's it. It's pretty much the whole thing. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye. Okay guys, once you have all screws in around and on the bottom, how to put the clip in. Okay, so you're gonna get the inside first, so just take inside and outside, and inside goes in like this, and then you're gonna put the top in. That's it. So this is how you do it. And another thing, don't forget to put this thing on. Okay. And only then put the clips on. Just align, get it in. This, well, just